So we've got some lovely potatoes under there, fried potatoes. I actually done mine in the air fryer, got beautiful spices on them, and then we're gonna top it. That's delicious. Okay, so potatoes, you can see I've cut them into sort of them size pieces, peeled, in some cold water. Gonna drop in a little bit of salt. We're gonna put the heat on, and I'm gonna bring that to the boil, and once it reaches boiling point, I'm gonna let it go just for 3 minutes. We're just gonna kind of parboil them, give them a head start. Okay, so drained the potatoes off. Like I say, they're still fairly firm. Just give them a little bit of a head start. You can see I've got a glove on because we're going to go in there and mix this up. Teaspoon salt and pepper. Teaspoon masala chaat powder. Teaspoon turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. 2 tablespoons flour. I'm using a wheat flour. You can use any flour that you want actually. You can use a cornstarch or potato flour, something like that. We're going to give this a nice little mix. So they've got a nice kind of coating on them now. Now you can play around with the spices. If you don't have chaat masala or something, you could add something else. It's just entirely up to you what you want to put in. Okay, I'm going to air fry these. So they're going to go in my air fryer with 2 tablespoons of oil, 180, 15 minutes. If you want, you can fry them in shallow or deep oil on the stove top. So 180, 15 minutes, halfway through, I'm going to give them a bit of a shake up. Okay, so our potatoes are done. They're delicious. You can eat them just like that, but we're going to really jazz this up right now. Tamarind paste. Fresh green chili, as much or as little as you like. Mint chutney. Or green chutney, which is good as well, which is mint, coriander and chili. This is just mint. Onion. Tomato. Plain yogurt or dahi. More tamarind paste. More onion. And more tomato. Grated cheese. Sev. You can choose any type of sev that you want. Chaat masala powder. Chili flakes. Cilantro or coriander. Pomegranate. Job done. There you got some lovely spicy potatoes. Very spicy, in fact, delicious. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.